How to sign up for a new Skype account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Skype. So Skype is an online video platform that is widely used for communication that allows people to connect through video calls, voice calls, and instant messaging. It also allows file sharings. So let's see how you can create an account for yourself. First of all, install the app from Google Play Store and then you can just open up the app. And here you will just have to log into your account if you already have one. But if you don't have one, just tap on create one like this. And it will ask you to enter your email address first. You can also use your phone number, but I'm just going to continue with my email. And right here, just enter your email address. Then tap on next. And if you already have an account, it will ask you to sign in. So go ahead and tap on sign in. And here, just enter your email address, tap on next. Now you'll just have to enter the password of your account. And now once you have entered your password or created your password, you can just get the code on your email. And now you have successfully created a new account on Skype. And that's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.